In this video, we explain how to mount a ZVA Sidewinder Tube Skimmer to a Lockjaw. For this install, you will need 3 tools. You'll need a screwdriver, a 7/16 wrench, and a 3/8 wrench. When doing the install, please mount the BGX2 Adapter to the Sidewinder first. Take your ZVA Sidewinder Tube Skimmer, flip it on the side. Take your BGX2 Adapter with the 3 holes facing, slide it in this way. Then using the supplied screws, I would just add these in first. Using your 3/8 wrench, hold this in place. On the back side, just tighten it. Once you have the adapter mounted to the Sidewinder Tube Skimmer, take your lockjaw and you will mount it this way. You will place it on here, align the 2 holes, use the supplied bolts, drop those through. And that's it. Then we can mount this to our sump tank, and then just clamps in. Make sure they're tightened, do not over tighten. Make sure your tube falls into your sump, and you're good to go.